बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज क्वेश्चन छो features of double helical structure of DNA. That means important features regarding double helical structure of DNA that was proposed by Watson and Crick. بیاکھ ناو چھُ وۄنۍ اَسہِ Watson and Crick's model of DNA that was designed on the basis of diffraction pattern that was provided by Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins. اتھ DNA double helical structure منٛز کم feature چھِ آسان، اتھ منٛز کم important characteristic features چھِ آسان، یہِ کرو زانٕچ کوٗشِش. On the right side you see double helical structure of DNA. یِم زٕ ribbon چھِ اَتھ یِوان اَسہِ دۄیو سایڈو. یِم چھِ 2 strands of DNA آسان. یِم آسان بنیمٕتۍ چھِ sugar phosphate backbone. That means phosphorus sugar from top to bottom. یِم 2 strands چھِ آسان. They are made up of sugar phosphate backbone. And on inner side اتھ چھِ آسان nitrogen bases that may be either adenine, thymine, guanine or cytosine which are joined at regular intervals. اگر تُہۍ وٕچھِو length of one turn of DNA کۭژاہ چھِ آسان. یہِ کٔرِو تُہۍ اِنشاء اللہ برونٛٹھ کُن پانے سورُے اینَلایز. ماینر گروپ کیٛاہ گوٚو، میجر گروپ کیٛاہ گوٚو، دۄن بیسن درمیان کوٗتاہ چھُ آسان سپیس، DNA یس کیٛاہ آسان ڈایمیٖٹر. اِنشاء اللہ یی سورُے ڈایگرام منٛز. گۄڈنیُک پویِنٹ چھُ ڈبل ہیلِکس کنسسٹ آف 2 polynucleotide chains. اتھ منٛز چھِ آسان 2 polynucleotide chain، 2 سٹرینڈ چھِ آسان. یتھ منٛز آسان چھُ شُگر، phosphorus تہٕ base. phosphorus, sugar and base. The 2 strands polynucleotide chains are anti-parallel. That is, one polynucleotide chain runs in 5' to 3' direction, while as the other they runs in 3 to 5' direction. That means اکھ DNA strand چھُ آسان. It starts with 5' and ends with 3'. Another strand, complementary strand چھُ آسان. It starts from 3' and ends with 5' of deoxyribose sugar of DNA molecule. Each polynucleotide chain has a sugar phosphate backbone with nitrogen bases directed inside the helix. یہ دۄیو سایڈٕ چھِ یِم سٹرینڈ آسان. أنٛدرٕ کُن چھِ یِم آسان ہیلِکس، أنٛدرٕ کُن چھِ آسان nitrogen bases. These bases are stacked on top of each other like a pile of saucer. یِتھ پٲٹھۍ اکھ أکِس پٮ۪ٹھ پلیٹ چھِ آسان، پلیٹس پٮ۪ٹھ تَپٲرۍ چھِ آسان یِم bases. They are stacked on top of each other. اکھ أکِس پٮ۪ٹھ چھِ آسان یِم just like the pile of saucers. مگر منٛزٕ باگ چھِ یِمن بیس آسان کۭژاہ چھِ آسان، منٛزٕ باگ چھِ یِمن سُہ بیس آسان کۭژاہ چھِ آسان، سُہ وَنہٕ بہٕ برونٛٹھ کُنتھ اِنشاء اللہ. Nitrogen bases of 2 polynucleotide strands are linked through hydrogen bonds. مےٚ ووٚن وُنۍ AT یس درمیان 2 hydrogen bond تہٕ GC یس درمیان چھِ 3 hydrogen bond. There are 2 hydrogen bonds between A and T and 3 hydrogen bonds between G and C. As we can see clearly from the diagram, between C and G چھِ یِوان سیوٚد 3 bond اَتھِ یِوان اَتھِ، 3 hydrogen bond چھِ یِوان اَتھِ. And between A and T اَتہِ چھِ یِوان 2 hydrogen bond اَتھِ. بیٛاکھ پویِنٹ چھُ the 2 polynucleotides in a double helix are complementary as the sequence of nitrogen bases on one determines the sequence of nitrogen bases on the other. That means اگر اَسہِ اَکہِ سٹرینڈٕچ sequence پتہ آسہِ، أسۍ ہٮ۪کو بیٚیہِ سٹرینڈٕچ پانے ڈِٹرماین کٔرِتھ by complementary base pairing. کیٛاہ اَسہِ چھُ پتہ A always pairs with T, similarly G always pairs with C. A complete turn of DNA, pitch length A complete turn of DNA, then is August turn length, that's called pitch length, has a length of about 3.4 nanometer or 24 angstroms. You can see from this diagram structure of DNA at khod side turn, here पर बोन ताम turn, yet length 3.4 nanometer or 34 angstroms because 1 nanometer is equal to 10 angstroms. And there are 10 base pairs per turn of helix in case of BDNA. Is BDNA that much the bases turn which means that the boys the spacing between adjacent base pairs is 0.34 nanometer. 3.4 divided by 10 is equal to 0.34 nanometer or 3.4 angstrom space between two bases, and the helix is having a diameter of 2 nanometer. At the top diameter of helix 2 nanometer, which can accommodate only 3 bases, 2 strand and 3 bases. Yet must 2 strands under kind 2 bases. Yet must purine, back pyrimidine. Then another point is, last point, the double helix has 2 different grooves. You can see clearly on left side you have a minor groove which is formed by this helix. On the right side you have a major groove. Similarly, below major groove you have a minor groove. On the left side, below minor groove you have another major groove. That means they are alternately. It is again the same, but it is extended form. Left side clear structure of DNA, double helical structure. I'm dachin side khulait pahanat. If 5 prime kya go? You see at the top, it is the 5 prime end of sugar molecule of DNA. Yethen phosphate group attached to shuru. Then at the 3 carbon of sugar nucleotide attached. But on the 3 carbon of sugar nucleotide attached. It approach last per watan. Agar tu last per ke रोजान 3 carbon of sugar रोजान अतन बिल्कुल yellow, that ends with 3 end. That means sharu कतन गो sharu go 5 and 5 prime of sugar and ends with 3 prime of sugar. But in the opposite strand तथ अमुक दुब गसान. That means it starts with the 3 prime of sugar and ends with the 5 prime of sugar. Guys, give 2 strands, that is sugar phosphate backbone on left side and right side. Towers khod side 5 prime to 3 prime direction arrow कर thavan, and dashin side choit 5 prime to 3 prime direction in opposite direction. Mazbak shown base site, adenine pairs with thymine through 2 hydrogen bonds. Thymine pairs with adenine, which is a hydrogen bond. Cytosine pairs with guanine, mazbak 3 hydrogen bonds. And guanine pairs with cytosine, mazbak shown beat 3 hydrogen bond. This was about the use structure of DNA, double helical structure of DNA. Is थोड़ा बहुत खुलोइत पहन कित पोट base attach, कतन sugar molecule, कत phosphate attach, 5 prime क्या गो, 3 prime क्या गो, antiparallel क्या गो, diameter क्या गो, pitch length क्या गई. ये सारी चीज regarding the structure of DNA. Now last part of this DNA is function of DNA. DNA genetic material is a genetic material which carries all the heredity information coded in the arrangement of its nitrogen bases. DNA genetic material यथ पे सारी information लिखित in a code form. अगर इस वुचो sugar phosphorus same in all the DNA, but it's just the arrangement, it's a sequence of nitrogen bases which makes the organisms different from each other. Yani yus arrangement of nitrogen base sequence of base which makes the genes, and this sequence of base determine karan organism kyuth aase, amse characters kith asan. It has the property of replication, essential for passing genetic information from one cell to its daughter cells or from one generation to another generation. And crossing over, it occurs during the packaging of meiosis of cell division. It produces recombinations, it produces new types, and change in sequence and number of nucleotides produce mutations. If sequence change gasan, ame se mutation gasan, and mutation is the base for variation. And DNA, it gives rise to RNA through the process of transcription. Protein synthesis that occurs in two steps. First is transcription, second is translation. God DNA pattern, messenger RNA, या ribosomal RNA, या transfer RNA. There are different type of RNA through the process of transcription. And DNA controls the metabolic reactions of cells through RNAs and RNA-directed synthesis of proteins, enzymes, and other biochemicals. को DNA जो सोरी control करान. Differentiation of various body parts is due to differential functioning of specific parts of DNA. Then development stages occur in life cycle of organism by an internal clock of DNA functioning. कम साथ क्या कौस development गच्छे, that also is determined by the internal clock of DNA functioning. यानी body मज कम साथ कौस developmental change ये सोरी control करान इस internal clock सान DNA पानुन तम जरिए control करान. इत पर यदि वो DNA सेल मजन ये ओवरऑल सारी फंक्शन कंट्रोल करान. तो DNA क्या अत मन पॉलीन्यूक्लियोटाइड चेन ये मन शुगर फास्फोरस सेम एक्सेप्ट नाइट्रोजन बेसिस एडेनिन गानिन थाइमिन साइटोसिन इन सीक्वेंस डिफरेंट हाउएवर कंपोजिशन सेम प्रत कुछ ऑर्गेनिज्म मजन बट द सीक्वेंस इज डिफरेंट विच मेक्स द ऑर्गेनिज्म डिफरेंट. तो ये पे आव तुम थोड़ा बहुत समझ DNA क्या गो स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ DNA क्या तेल वो DNA क्या बनो वन यम मेडलिन फैक्टर्स अम पे क्रोमोसोम्स अम पे दोबुक यम क्रोमोसोम अत मज DNA तो बी प्रोटीन्स. DNA क्या शुगर फास्फेट तो नाइट्रोजन बेसिस. तेल दपो जीन is the sequence of bases which determines the functioning of organism, which determines the characters expressed by organisms. So यम sequence change गसान in different organisms which makes the organism different from each other. And प्रत कुन जीनस मज यम sequence प्रत कुन जीनस मज यम bases but sequence different which makes the gene is different from each other and which makes the characters of organism different from each other. I hope you understand this topic nicely. Inshallah bont kun aise Allah Taala ijazat thomut sehat thomut inshallah to inshallah bont kun yimu toy bont kunat tis kal di ijazat. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.